Alright, so it says what number is equal to the square root of 81? So one way to think about it is think about a square that has 81 square units in it. And then what would the side length have to be? Okay, so if we look at, sorry, I got this all out of whack. If we look at a square with 81 square units, or 81 square units as the area, then each of the side lengths would have to be 9. Another way to say that is square root kind of asks the question, what times itself is that number? Well, 9 times 9 is 81, so the square root of 81 is 9. What number times itself is 121? Well, that's 11 times 11, that's 121, so this positive square root of 121 is 11. What number times itself is 196? Well, 14 times 14 is 196, so the positive square root of 196 is 14. Again, it's because 14 times 14 is 196. What number times itself is equal to the negative square root of 25? Maybe a better way to say that is, what is the negative square root of 25? What number times itself is 25? Well, that's 5. The negative version of that is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 5 is 25. So the negative square root of 25 is negative 5. If we have a negative in front, it just stays in front, and then we can take the square root of 25 as if that negative wasn't there. Alright, so hopefully that kind of reminds you how to take the square root of a perfect square. And if it helps you, you might want to list out your perfect squares. So like 1 squared, 1, 2 squared, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 squared, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 squared, 5 times 5 is 25, and so on. If you'll do that at least to 144, most of the time that'll be enough.